All right, guys, a lot of you have asked for the dried results of this piece, the white rose. Just look at all the colors layered in there. Do here, tried to go nice and slow. It's a little windy out. So you can see the gold in there. And I can't believe this was made with like 13 different colors. So you can see the purple in here. So, all right, we'll move it over here. It's not really all that bright. Hold on. Oh, it's heavy. All right, so all this area in here is so pretty. And over here. So this is the finished piece, and it's got a little bit of a gold sheen to it, so. But, all right, guys, well, that's it. There you have it. Have a great day. Good morning, guys. Okay, so we are going to work on a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and we're going to do a straight pour, or known as a galaxy pour, with Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza, mixed 5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I have Metallic Sapphire, Brushed Metallic Sapphire by Art Minds. That's mixed 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold, and that's mixed equal parts of Floetrol to paint. And I have Liquitex Basics Prussian Blue, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. All right. So we're gonna get going. My white is Artist Loft Flow White, mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then a couple of scoops of the DecoArt Satin Enamel in Pure White, and go from there. So I mixed 24 ounces of this, so I did 16 ounces of Floetrol and 8 ounces of the Artist Loft Flow White, and then I just scooped with a stick a couple of bits of satin enamel. Actually, I'm gonna do my cup first. Pardon me. I'll do a little bit of white, not a lot, maybe a little more. And we're gonna do the Prussian Blue. Turquoise. My TV's on, so let me go turn that off. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I meant to turn it off a few minutes ago. I want to keep the gold vibrant. I don't want to mute it out. So I'll put a little, I'm sorry, purple. So I'll put a little gold in between it. And then I'll do the white, just a little bit. And then the chartreuse. these paints here. Let's see. All right, so I have my layered cup. I'm gonna put a little more on there. So I put the puddle in the middle to help the paint move. I'm just gonna add more to that cup because we'll need it later. Finding what I'm looking for. I probably, they're in the water soaking. All right. I thought I saw a little bit of a lump in there, but maybe not. There it is. Okay. All right, so we're gonna hold our breath and pour. Okay. Lots of bubbles in my paint this morning because I just mixed my paint. So I'm gonna just let that sit for a minute. Just put that over there. Maybe I'll use that after. So next what I'm gonna do is pour the paint around the painting and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and we've spread out the white paint. I'm gonna give it another torch to get rid of those air bubbles as much as I can. Usually I'll let my paint sit overnight, and I didn't have time last night to do it. So we're gonna get a stretch in. I'm just going to come back to this back corner a bit, and I want to save most of the colors there, so. All right, wipe my hand off. Okay, bring you guys in. All right, we'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, sorry for the glare. But here we go. I'll fix up that corner with the excess of what's in the cup. But I'm loving this piece. Got all the ribboning in there. The cells. I'm gonna come over this way. I'm trying to go slow. So this time I rotated the canvas and the puddle in a circular motion before stretching, as I wanted the center to be a little bit of a swirl. I'm just gonna come in here with the purple and the gold. Look at those. I love the lines in there. There's so much to look at with this piece. And the striped cells. And look at that area. So awesome. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day. You can connect to me via social media links for all sales, and that is in the description box. You can get Arteza products at a discount also with my coupon code now through, I believe it's February 14th. So get your pearl metallics there. They're beautiful paints. And what else? Well, I don't know. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.